Take a look at this, you guys. This is a lemon guava tree. As soon as they turn a little bit yellow, like a lemon, is when they're ripe. And then a lot of times they'll just fall off the tree. Okay, just got back from my friend's house that was growing these lemon guava. Okay, I'm gonna use a spatula. We're gonna smash these down. It's gonna kind of just roll it back and forth.
Because it's just like any other fruit. Once it gets overripe, it's no longer good. So we're going to make basically, it's like thin lemon guava chips, sun-dried guava chips. The ones that they dehydrate in the sun.
Oh, right. It looks like this is ready to go. Our fruit roll-ups. One giant piece of fruit roll-up. Pumpkin. What do you think, Pumpkin? You want to try it? It is time to try out our fruit snacks. I'm gonna try a bite of this. Unbelievable. Let's try a bite of this. It's really good. Oh, the seeds are very crunchy. I've been snacking on these at work. Excellent for the lunch pail. Easy way to make your own fruit snacks, healthy and organic. So we'll see you guys next time. I have to finish eating my lunch.